Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a specific or custom ringtone for a contact on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on Contacts at the bottom. Now go down the list here and select a contact that you want to set a custom ringtone. And then tap on the Information button. Next, tap on View More at the bottom. And then tap on Change Ringtone, Vibration. Select Ringtone. In the list here, select a ringtone that you would like to set for this particular contact. Alright, so then tap on the back key, and tap on Saved. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.